My name's Rihanna with Colton RV, and today we're looking at the Freelander 26DS by Coachmen. So first thing that really sticks out to me with the Freelander is the front cap. So you do have a seamless front cap. So that's just going to be a little bit more resistant and hold up better over time. You don't have wind hitting corner seams here causing, delamination. So it's a nice strong build there. This is on the Ford E450 chassis. So you do have a nice big awning over your campsite with the door in the center, so you're not going to get any rain going into the doorway. This does have a tankless water heater. That's there. You have a solar outlet right here if you wanted to put extra panels there, but it does have solar on board. This is made with Blasdell in the sidewalls, so that's a non-water absorbing material. This does have CRV Super Springs ride. So what that is sumo springs. That's going to reduce the shock on the road. It's just going to absorb the shock when you hit like a pothole. It also has an added sway bar on it to reduce sway. You've got a propane connect here, and this does have a 68-gallon propane tank. This does have a tow hitch on the back. So this will tow 7,500 pounds and have a 700-pound hitch rating. This motorhome does have two slide outs, and they both have a slide cover on them already. So that's just going to protect the top of that slide by coming in and out every time you open and close it. And you do have a generator on board with this motorhome as well. So you do have side view cameras. When you turn on your turn signals, those are going to show in the rear view mirror area. You'll have a screen there that links to your cameras. So going into the motorhome, you do have your buttons right at the entryway. So this does have the solar panels with the 30 amp charge controller. You've got your switch for the power awning, fuse panel, a couple light switches, and a battery disconnect switch. And then on this side, you do have the Bigfoot leveling system. So you can just auto level this and it'll set itself, and you can individually adjust. So in the front area here, as you can see, these seats swivel. They also pull out at an angle. So when you do pull them out, you pull them towards you. That way you don't have to move them back and forth trying to clear the wall and the steering wheel. So it's an interesting design, and then they just push back to the side there. I do like that they're also upholstered. It's not a fabric material, so it's going to be easy to clean. There's that screen where the cameras will show. So again, when you turn on your side cameras, your turn signals, your side cameras will show there, as well as your backup camera. You have a nice dash screen as well, so you'll be able to use Apple CarPlay, have your navigation right there. This chassis does have powered mirrors. This dinette area is interesting, so it does push away, but it also pulls out to make a full U. So we just put this cushion here, and now you have a U-shaped dinette. Oh. And then, of course, it does turn down to be a bed as well. Very versatile. You do have seat belts in there. You have powered theater seats here, so you'll have a button to extend and retract. They have heat, massage, and lights on the cup holders. And then a little storage there for your remotes. One super fun feature is the Magic Chef fridge. So it opens on either side. If you needed to, you could take the whole door off and clean it. And then you have the pull-out freezer. Okay, this is going to come with a 3-burner cooktop, also by Magic Chef, and a convection microwave. And then you also have the fan with the light and a vent right above your cooking area that also has a fan. You've got a countertop extension and lots of storage. Love the drawers in there to organize and keep everything separate. More storage off to this side, goes all the way back. Extendable outlet bar. Over here, you've got buttons for tank heaters, so this does have a cold weather package. Your generator start and stop, side rooms, Wi-Fi. And this one, AGS, automatic generator start. So that's super important, really great if you have pets. You can set this to start based on time and temperature. So if you know you're going to be back at your camper and at 5 o'clock, at 4:30 you could have the generator start on, which will start your air conditioner, cool it off. Or set it to temperature. If you're leaving your dogs in here, it'll make sure that they're safe. And then you do have the tankless water heater. You have a big wardrobe right here in the hallway. And then as you cross into the bedroom area, that bed is on a slide out. So it's nice and walkable. We've got lots of storage up there. An air conditioner in the bedroom. So there's 2 air conditioners on this unit. And then your bathroom is off to the side. So that's the Coachmen Freelander 26DS. If this is something you're interested in, you could give us a call at 716-694-0188, and my extension is 413.